So today we're going to take a glimpse into production here at CVG. It's with all of these guys. So we're really walking into Chris's domain here. He runs production, and as you can see, we had to move production upstairs into our gym area, so it's literally like right next to where we have our gym right now. So between every shirt, everyone has to do pull-ups. Just joking, but we're gonna see how to make shirts. When an order comes in, it comes right here to Chris, and he prints out a slip. Unless you have skipped the line, then for here at CVG we have skipped the line. You skip all the other orders in front of you, we grab the slip, run it over, so you're skipping everything else. So order comes in, we go over here to Luke. Hi Luke. So Luke gets the order, and this is where he makes and cuts all of the designs on our shirt. So these are the designs on our shirt, and Luke makes them. So it takes a couple minutes to be cut, but once it's done, and it's a masterpiece, thank you, it goes back over here to Chris, who does every job. So now he's going to peel the shirt. You're up next.
Thanks.
Final step, pressing the shirt. Takes about 10 seconds. And this will be the final press. You have a done shirt? How long it takes to make just one shirt. How to put these variants on the bottom of all of our shirts. They're all done by hand here. Chris has been here for 6 years, so he is the absolute fastest at weeding these. So we start with this, we end with this, and today I'm going to be doing my first one ever, and we're going to see how many Chris can peel in the time that it takes me to do one. So hopefully just a couple, but he is the Yoda at these, so we'll see how long it takes. We have the clock here, ready to start. Chris has his hype music. I feel like that's an unfair advantage. Yeah.
Done. Keep holding.
All right, so this is my constantly varied, and Chris did 7? 7 in the time that it took me to do 1. He's the master. Next look inside CVG is going to be about our weekly workout, which we film right here next to production. So we'll take a look at our weekly workout, how many women do it, how we came up with it. We release a free workout to our community every single week, and give away some leggings or a tank every week. So we're gonna take an inside look at that on our next video.